Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This video is a part of what would you make for January. I'll talk more about that, so just let's get crafting. Now for DIY number 1, I'll be using 3 of these wooden hearts. I got them in a pack of 16 from Michael's. And these are the paints that I'll be using. And these are Folk Art, which is a brand of PLAID. I am a PLAID ambassador. So I took some painter's tape and I just sectioned off the wooden hearts. And this is what they looked like when I painted them. Now I removed the painter's tape, and the section where the tape was, I'm deciding now to just use the different color paints to paint that section. After that was dry, I took the gold marker and I'm just highlighting the edges with the gold pen. And this one is from Crafter's Square. And then I went over them with some Mod Podge. And those wooden laser cut flowers or roses, I got those from the Dollar Tree in a set. And I also got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using that to connect all 3 together and then form a loop at the top for hanging. So once at the top, I just folded that down and glued it down on itself, cut off the excess, and then flipped it over. And the roses were already painted. I never needed to do anything to that, so I just glued them on. There you have it, done. More in the final reveal. Now this is What Would You Make? And this playlist is hosted monthly by Connie from Connie's Woodshop and DIYs and Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. And this month we have Anna from the Grace Life Home channel. Make sure to check those out. I will leave the links to the ladies' channel in my description box, as well as a link to the playlist. And now we're moving on to DIY number 2. So this is one piece from the Dollar Tree floating shelves. I already used one and I sanded it down. And this paper pack is also from Dollar Tree. I was just trying to figure out which one I wanted to use. So I settled on this one. I like the colors and the saying. So I painted the border with a Folk Art coffee latte. And I'm just doing the borders because the middle will be covered. Now it's done and dried. I'll be gluing on the paper with the Elmer's glue, disappearing glue. I'm just making sure I'm putting on a lot of it. You can use Mod Podge, but because this is paper and the Mod Podge is liquid, then you're gonna have the paper bubbling, and I didn't want that. Next, I took the brayer and I'm just smoothing out the surface. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. So as you saw, I use a perforating tool to reopen the holes, and now I'm adding a piece of this two-tone jute cord from Dollar Tree. So I just a little hot glue to the tip of the rope or the cord and then inserted that, and then added 2 small beads, knotted the ends. Of course, you can take this a little bit further and add maybe a jute bow or any other bow or some greenery. But because the paper is already pretty crowded, I didn't want to add anything else. So next I took the lighter and I just burn off the edge or burn off the fuzzies and glue down the cord so it doesn't swing around too much. And that is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this one. in the comments below. Now for DIY number 3, this is a wood slice. I believe I got this from the Dollar Tree. So I painted one side with some Waverly plaster and the other side with Waverly mineral. And I didn't go all the way out to the edge. I wanted to keep some natural form of the wood. So that side with plaster, this side with mineral. And now both sides have been painted. This napkin I had in my stash. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree 2 years. Yeah, I've had this maybe 2 years now. So I'm just taking a paintbrush with a little water and I'm removing just that little piece that I wanted to use. And this napkin has 3 plies, so you have to make sure that you remove the 2 outer plies. Guys, don't forget to check out the playlist down below. I will link that, as well as Brenda's, Anna's and Connie's channel. So make sure to check them out when you get done watching my video. Alright, so now I'm doing the napkin decoupage technique. I applied some Mod Podge, dried it a little bit, and then put the napkin down, smooth it out, and then use the heat gun and dry it again. Now this wasn't that hard because of the surface. The wood surface, it hugged the napkin very well, so I didn't have to do a lot to it. And then I just some more Mod Podge and added that to the surface and dried that. This transfer paper I got from my friend Mary from Craft Away with May. And I selected 3 of the little circles: be kind, be positive, and something else. I don't remember exactly what it says. So I placed that down and I used my scraper tool and just rub that on to transfer the image. And here it is, all transferred. And then I took some Mod Podge and a small paintbrush and just seal that. I use a lighter and burn off the fuzzies. And now we have a double-sided hanging decor piece. And to jazz it up a little bit more, I took the gold marker and I'm shading in that natural section that I said that I didn't want to cover. And here I am covering it. And then to just finish embellishing, I added a burlap bow to the flower side, and to the gray side I added buffalo check ribbon. And that is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this. And now we're here for the final reveal. Here are the 3 projects that I made for this playlist today. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think the wood slice is mine, as well as the 3 hearts. I love how those came together. But that's just me. Let me know what you think about these and tell me which was your favorite. And guys, don't forget to check out the playlist like I mentioned before. And if this is your first time also, be sure to subscribe and make sure to like, because it really does help my channel and it helps YouTube to suggest my video to more viewers like yourself. To follow me on social media, you can scan this QR code to my linktre address, and there you will find all the platforms to reach me. Or check my description box for more information. So this is my Etsy shop. I'm stocking t-shirts and mugs at the moment. There is my link in the description box below. You can hop on over and check it out. There you have it, guys. Make sure to do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe. And if you love budget-friendly content like this and you would like to see more, I suggest this video after you get done the playlist, of course, or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.